Now we go into the men's shot put final, F57. This is the strongest of the wheelchair categories. 4:48 p.m. and the sun's already setting here in Doha. This is Leonardo DIAZ of Cuba. Everybody getting 3 throws in a row, and then the top 8 having another 3. It's a strong field, some of whom we've already seen in action elsewhere in throwing competitions this week. 9 meters 22 for Leonardo DIAZ. Season's best is 10.68. Bit of improvement required here. That's a bit better by the looks of it, closer towards 10 meters.
So a change of leadership then in the next javelin throw F46 as we move into the 4th round with the top 8. It's now Guoshan of China, who leads the new championship.
That's 9 meters 66, and he stays in 7th place. He's got 1 more to go after this, and then watch the rest of the competition.
That's still the Mexican competitor, in 3rd place with 51.74.
He's very, very competitive in terms of the other people who are in this. That's a very decent effort. That is beyond 10 meters. And DIAZ, maybe, if not in terms of placing, definitely in terms of distance, with an improvement. And he is now in 6th place. So the man who's been a silver medalist on the last 2 European Championships, Janusz ROKICKI of Poland, leads at the moment. ASHAPATOV, the twice Paralympic, current reigning Paralympic and European champion, in 2nd place. And WISHNIA of the United States, Michael WISHNIA, he's in 3rd. Mohamad MOHAMAD, the reigning world champion, 5th for Syria. Alexey ASHAPATOV in the men's shot put, F57, the twice Paralympic champion, and he's a reigning champion. European champion also, former world champion from Christchurch in 2011. Very close competition in this between he and Janusz ROKICKI of Poland. He's won the last 2 European crowns. Guoshan has emerged for China also. Well, that's 14.54 is his best so far for 2nd place. 13.57 was that 4th round attempt. 3 throws in a row. Nobody from Greece competing in this, by the way.
So the Russian completed himself. This is his 5th round.
ASHAPATOV has won gold at the last 2 Paralympic Games in London and Beijing prior to that.
Reminder, he has
2 gold marks in this, by the way. That's an immense throw.
ROKICKI of Poland has 14.56. It's 14.34.
2 athletes from 2 categories involved in this, and the gold mark you see there is for the F57s. F56s, I should say, actually. F57 world record is a lot longer. A lot of the throws have gone beyond that mark. Continental records for Guoshan of China and Michael WISHNIA, the United States so far. Lots of excelling going on there. So that's the last attempt, and that is around 14 meters again. Good consistency. It's around 14.50 once more, and 14.54 is best. But needed 14.92 to overtake ROKICKI. That might have been it, but he doesn't look happy. As we always say, the athlete always knows, 14.56. It was his best, but he hasn't made it.
into the gold medal position, and that leaves the pole. He's going to need to respond. Big loss.
Will it be enough to maintain Ashapatov's top spot?
Drama in the F57 shot put.
تحدي كبير في آخر
Time now to go back to the shot put, and Janusz ROKICKI of Poland. In first place.
شركة قطار محمد القبيسي والذي سيكون حاضرا في السباق النهائي بفضل التوقيت المسجل في المجموعة الأولى حيث دخل رابعا لكن زوجته تؤهله إلى المشاركة في السباق النهائي ولمن الفوز بالإحداث الجديد.
14.75 was his season best coming into this competition. Here goes his 5th attempt, and that is a nice big put, if ever you've seen one. Well, 14.56 before that one, and if that hasn't gone further, then I'm not here. 14.92 is a new lifetime best for Janusz ROKICKI.
Nice time to throw a season best. 14.92, that will do it. So gold will go to Poland, Russia will take silver, China will take the bronze. He has one more.
So he's now onto his final throw. That man there in second place, the Russian Alexey ASHAPATOV.
Another big effort, not quite as far. Doesn't matter though. ROKICKI of Poland came out. He knew the pressure was on.
So Janusz ROKICKI.
He's your world champion. Men's shot put F57. Great competition.
He's won the World Championship though. And he looks very, very happy indeed. 14.39, it doesn't matter. His penultimate throw of 14.92, a lifetime best. It gives him the gold medal. Russia's Alexey ASHAPATOV in second with a best, also a lifetime for him, of 14.56. And China again in the medals. Guoshan, an Asian record of 14 meters and 53 centimeters. ASHAPATOV was the European champion and gold medalist in London 2012. ROKICKI was silver in that European Championship, so he's turned the tables. He takes gold in the big one. First for Poland, second for Russia with ASHAPATOV, and third for China with an Asian record of 14.53 to Guoshan.